Hello, I'm going to walk you through the process of requesting a video testimonial from your happy customers. It's really simple. Let's jump into the demo account and walk you through the process. So log into your account. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see the request option. Go ahead and select that. Here you have the ability to request referrals, endorsements, or reviews. We're going to focus on the review request. You'll see that it's really straightforward. You simply add in your customer's name and their phone number for this text message. Now I select the review type. I'm going to choose video. Now I have the ability to customize a text greeting that will go out to these happy customers. I can either use the default that's already here, or I can select any custom templates that I've already created. And just know we walk you through all of this in our help center. Or I can come in here and manually enter in a message, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've entered in a message here. I've included a data hook that pulls in the customer's first name. I've also included a message that lets them know that they will get a $25 gift card if they provide a video testimonial. For pro subscribers, every month we will actually pay 2 of your customers a $25 gift card for providing a video testimonial. I've entered in this custom message, and I can come in here and preview this to see exactly what it's going to look like to the customer when I send that to them. So it's got their name in there, my custom message, as well as it automatically includes a link that they can tap on to schedule this video call. So let's go ahead and send that request. Now I'm going to toggle over to my phone to show you what that looks like for your customers. All right, here we have the message that I just received. It's got my name, it's got the custom message, and then it has a link here that I can tap in order to schedule a call with somebody from the Best Company team. Pivoting back to our platform, you've now sent out that request, and you can monitor that request down below under the request dashboard. That's it. You're now ready to send out a video testimonial request. Good luck.